one thing I do is our normal nailing pattern, we come across with our nails, and it's 6 nails, so I put 5 there, and then I always hit one up here. The reason I hit one up there is if you don't, it gives a spot for the wind to come in. So then we just got the extra protection. Instead of using a chalk line down here, we cut straight to the rake. So what I do to get my rake is I come under like this and I hook my blade, that way I'm nice and straight. And then I just cut down like that. If you keep it away a little bit, you don't scratch none of your edging up, but this gives you a perfect cut down your rake edge. And then you also have this so the wind can't get in there. Always in the flange. I learned from an inspector once when I was doing a project, and he'd come up and check my roofs, and if they weren't within an inch from the edge, he went past me on the right side. So that's how I kind of developed my nailing pattern. I would set that one first, and then I'd go ahead and nail.
Alright, that way you're always an inch from the edge.
No matter what. And to utilize the scraps, if you're using a straight cut, you can always reuse these ones, which is nice. As long as we're 6 inches, we make the code on our edging. And if they're like this, if you use that edge, you basically got a factory cut because your metal's going to be straight.
Thank you for watching. You can subscribe here to get our latest videos, and be sure to check out more of the best clips from Paradise Exteriors here. Thank you. Have a paradise day.